Hey guys, it's Best Discover back with a new video. Today we're making Lego birds. As you see, these two Lego birds. As you see, we probably have all the pieces right here. It looks just like a bird, but let's say it's a bird, but the pieces are upright. Well, before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell to get more notifications about my videos. Now, let's get started. The pieces you guys will need today will be a 1x1 gray flat piece, a 1x1 yellow hinge piece, two 1x1 white slanted pieces, a 1x1 double-sided hook piece, and a 1x1 circle piece. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need the middle piece, the 1x1 side connector piece. You pick that up and then you get the 1x1 yellow hinge piece. Hook it on just like that. Then you get the 1x1 gray piece and hook it on right on top of that. Then you get the 1x1 white pieces and hook it onto the sides just like that. You can have it like this or other side, whatever way you prefer it. I prefer it this side because the wings go inside to out, just like this. Or, most likely, the better way, like this. Then you need the 1x1 yellow piece. Hook it onto the bottom like that. There, that's how you get your bird. And make sure, you can do different designs like this. Even though it's a bigger bird, it doesn't matter. This bird also is smaller. It's a medium bird. You see, this is the smallest bird, the one that we just built, medium bird, and the big bird. But you guys can also, I might be able to do some videos on the other birds here, so you guys can have different sized birds. Well, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell. Bye!